Mr. Hanye Miracle Olebube, and I'm a student of Rochas Foundation College, Owerri.
My name is Mariam Hassan from Nasarawa Local Government Area of Kano State.
My name is Muhammad Ibrahim. I come from Lindu, Local Government Area of Jigawa State.
My name is Laura Enela. I'm 11 years old. I'm in JS 2D. I'm from Kwara State.
My name is Ibe Christiana from JS 3C. I am from Imo State.
I'm an orphan. My father died in the year 2006. Later in 2009, my mommy also died.
I am an orphan in a family of 3. I am the only son and the youngest among them.
I have a sister and a mother, but I have no father.
I lost my father when I was 5 years old.
I lost my parents in the year 2007.
The time I came into this world, I don't know who my father is.
When my father died, I was 7 years. They said he's having a headache.
My daddy had a motorcycle accident. After that, we carried him to hospital, and my mom just gave birth to twins that day.
My dad fell sick suddenly. He told me I was 2 years when my dad died.
At the age of 8, I lost my father in a motor accident.
When my father died, life was so difficult for my mommy because she was not doing anything.
All our family means of survival was from my dad because my mom was a housewife. She wasn't doing anything.
When my father died, all hope was lost. We are 9 in our family and I am the 7th child.
It's only my mom that do everything. So when he died, my mom decided to take me to Ibadan in Aleshinoye.
That's the reason we are forced by ourselves to go to Timber Shade. So we have been doing this for complete 5 years. This is how we feed.
The school helped me a lot, so I thank him. I'm so grateful, and I pray that God will bless him and give him long life for giving hope to children like us.
I never imagined myself getting this kind of education. And for it to be in Imo State and be in the government school and be going to school and acquiring good knowledge, that one is perfect.
Before at home, we used to eat once in a day. But when I started schooling at Rochas Foundation College, Kano, we used to eat 3 times a day. When they gave me food in the school, I ate the food and took the remaining one home and gave it to my sister and my brothers. They were even waiting for me to see what I'm going to bring for them if I had not come back early from school.
My hope was restored by the foundation. I now have a father in the person of Daddy Rochas. I am no longer worried for my future. It's bright regardless of my family background.
The first thing I discovered about the school was there was discipline and there was sound teaching, which up to now I'm still experiencing it. During break time, we eat lunch, free food, everything free. That's one advantage that our school have more than other schools.
He pays my school fees, my school uniform, everything is free. So I would like to do something like that for those people that don't have.
At the end of the day, I was admitted to this marvelous school, this wonderful school, this school that gives hope to hopeless children.
And I enjoy the teachers teaching, enjoy the free food, the free clothes, the free everything. I enjoy everything.
What my mother cannot do for me, that Rochas has done it for me. She has given me free education, free sandal, free uniform, free food and stationeries.
He discovered me when I was very little. I was 11 years. He didn't just train me in the school. He made me know I can sing. It's one man I know that his name will never cease ringing, even in time to come. Because I have told this my son about him. And my second son is still little, and I will still tell him about him. And in years to come, my children will tell their own children about him. And so will other of us, many of us outside the world, will still tell their children about him. Daddy, your name will remain, even when you fall.
Rochas Foundation, reaching out and touching lives.